everybody. Tonight it's a beautiful day today. I was outside. It's so sun beautiful. And tonight we make a Quarantini Martini. And I got over here already. I got my gin and I got my martini. And I got my cups. Now for start, we start with the gin. And I want to pour 2, 1, and 2 gin. Now we go the martini. And we pour 2 martini. 1 and 2. Hey, you know what? Let me put a little bit more. It's hot outside anyway. Okay, now we got it. Everything go heat. Now I need ice. I want to shake, shake, and shake. Let me get my ice.
Kathleen, she said, Gin Martini is my favorite. Stop by, Kathleen. We'll make one for you.
All right. Now.
Hello, Debbie. How was your bagels? They will come out good? It's vermouth.
I got my ice. And now we do. Ooh, it's a nice cool cold. All right. Oh, look how nice ice already. Okay. All right, let me take my glass. I got my glass nice cold. Look at that. It will give a little bit more shake. Okay. Ooh, boy, it's freeze. Okay. Really, really good. And now, it's one for me and one for my wife. And we got over here some caviar. My wife, she was making nice caviar with a cucumber. Okay, let me taste this. The martini, salute chin chin, good. Really, really good. I want to say thank you very much for the star. And this is for my wife, Eva.
Yeah.
You can taste?
Yeah, I will taste.
Good. The caviar, it's really good.
It's good job. You did good job.
Okay. And next week we make another one. And we see what kind we're gonna make. Salute. E chin chin. And I want to say it again, thank you so much for the star. E chin chin e salute. Salute.